Hey, how'd this get on video? What is going on? I am hungry.
We just want some seafood.
Dang it. Happy morning, everyone. Alright, it's not officially morning, but welcome back to our vlog channel.
What's up? Missed y'all.
We are headed out for a night of a little bit of fun. Aaron's gonna be recording a video, doing some videography for a friend of his at his salsa class, and I am gonna be partaking in the salsa. So looking forward to that. It's been a few days since we've actually vlogged. Wasn't much really going on. Like I said, work, life. But yeah, we're back and we're in full effect. So we're looking forward to having a little bit of fun tonight. And then once we are done with the salsa class, you know, it's wherever the road takes us. It's Friday.
What?
Hello guys, so we just wrapped up the salsa class. We're actually gonna go get something to eat now because I am hungry and I had to sit through the class thinking about food. I was looking at like restaurants and stuff, so that didn't really help my situation. But it was a cool salsa class. Saw and learned some new things that I'm sure we were up to in our class had we been going regularly like we were supposed to. But it definitely motivated me to actually get back into my salsa. So I am going back. I'm going back starting
to Cali.
Starting next week. And yeah, we're gonna get this 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 on.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, Accessoride.
Was that who that was?
Yeah. Accessoride out here peeling out. They got places to go.
I hope nobody was on that. This guy and this somber ass music, like, who broke up with you, sir? And he is singing to me. I'm gonna need him to not sing to me.
Get this man a deal.
Huh?
I said, get this man a deal.
This song, who broke up with him? Let's find out who broke up with him. Did somebody break your heart?
Alright, so what am I looking up? Or do you want to
Restaurants
look it up?
here. Well, what I looked up the place. I have a taste for crab. Now, cafeteria does not have crab either.
They do not.
So, but I feel like I would be compelled to go there because of the mac and cheese. So yeah, I don't know. I looked at the boil.
Why don't you want to go there?
It's not that I don't want to go there. I actually do. It's just about the distance versus trying to actually get back here. But I don't know, where is it? I think it's like all the way downtown. I just feel like that doesn't make sense. And I also feel like perhaps we can take an Uber. 17 Waverly Place. No, it was Christie Street. Which one is how? Well, they're equally like distant, right? No, that one is 3 miles.
Away, the other one is 1 point something.
Every thought is of this being true. It's getting harder not to think of you. Girl, I'm exactly where I wanna be.
That's my guy. We go way back to like
I'm mad he
7
touched
minutes
you.
ago. I almost ducked out the way, but I didn't want to.
So that little tongue was yucky, guys. I'm just gonna. These are the things that, you know, I don't know, just make you like, ugh. It's just a. All right, the Uber's on the way. Walking up to the boil, guys. Let's see. Hopefully it's not crowded in here.
Like what?
Oh, it is crowded in here. Yeah, it's definitely like way crowded. Oh, damn it, it's cash only.
Get you. Surcharges on the ATMs.
I had a feeling it was.
But that might
Dang
have been
it.
a couple minutes ago on that ride.
Oh, that's yummy. Is that cracked grape?
When you're not prepared for the restaurant. Catch of the day is live crawfish. I do not eat crawfish. You like crawfish?
Yeah.
So you learn something new every day. Even about the people you've been with, the people that you live with. I had a feeling. I should have definitely checked before we came here.
You better like this because this is colorful.
But yeah. All right.
Because the
So
dog kept moving around, so I didn't know exactly.
we have to make a detour to go.
Wait, what? We're on Waverly Place, right?
Yeah, but that's also a main street, and I feel like the
Yes. So we go
you
up here and
wouldn't
make
find a
left.
bank back there. Yeah, so we have to make a detour to the bank
Quick detour.
because we weren't prepared. So, you know, I have a philosophy in life. Success is when preparation meets opportunity. We failed because we took the opportunity, but we weren't prepared. So now we have to walk when we could have had the Uber drive us to the bank.
At least we get some extra time. I'll walk like this the whole way to the bank.
Yeah, okay. He looks like one of these crazy Manhattan people. He's acting like the guy with the tongue. Yuck mouth.
I already got that.
You are the boss of your future.
Some wines and spirits.
Oh, they're advertising your fave.
Next time. On the way back. On the way back.
Kmart is still open?
You see Kmart.
Right
Oh.
there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember Kmart used to be a thing back in the day.
Apparently it's
But every Kmart I go in seems to be like ridiculously dead. Now, I mean, I've not ever gone into any in the city, but you know, in the outer boroughs and the outskirts of life, Walmart has put Kmart out of business.
Uber Lyft.
That's his siren.
That's his bell.
That is his siren. He is the police. Woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo,
Whoop, whoop.
He said, move that ass. Gonna get run over. Is it on Broadway? Oh, it's right here. I was gonna say, is it on Broadway? Taking forever. You make believe we stand for something. We said something is better than nothing. New Yorkers are hilarious. Whoop, 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 whoop. Like, sir, I'm gonna need him to get a bicycle bell. And ding just like everybody else. Ding. I had to dip. I had to do something.
Big money.
Who you? I'm trying to be like you.
I'm trying to be like me.
You so stupid. How much you take out?
Enough.
Are you sure?
I mean, how much you trying to eat?
It is hungry. Nom, nom, nom. I'm not sharing.
Neither am I. We have to get 2 apps. It's like, let me get 2 crab legs.
A piece of a crab leg. I don't even want the whole snow crab. Just break off a leg.
Just 1 leg each.
Oh.
Great. The hand
Go.
clearly says high five. She missed. She didn't give it a high five.
We could have made it when we rolled up and it had 5 blinks to go. She said, forget
Well,
y'all.
that's because the homeboy at the light decided to just sit there while the light was green. But the light was green for like a good 5 seconds before he started moving. I'm surprised nobody honked him. It was just like,
That's because they're the ones usually doing all the honking. Damn yellow cabs.
see, they honking him.
Look, you see? You see? Beep.
Watch out.
Beep and go where?
Where?
Those shoes are cute. So her shoes are cute.
For my shoes? Or your shoes? Your shoes cute.
Your shoes are cute too. Somehow I feel like the one on Christie Street is a tad more elegant. You know, the Village is the hood. Is this the Village? I think it is the Village.
Alright, so we're going to try this one more time. This time we are prepared.
Yes.
At least I hope so.
Give me them crab legs.
All right, so not prepared yet again for this New York wait time. An hour and a half for a table for 2. What kind of foolishness is this?
Now I'm sad because we spent money on an Uber to come down here and I wanted something very specific and I can't have it. I feel like the other one is going to be the same. Did you give me back my phone?
Oh, no.
It's already 9 o'clock. Like, why is it 9 o'clock? And I haven't eaten.
When you start to get too hungry, you start to get hangry. We are more than hangry at this point.
Very sad. 22-minute walk. What?
Oh no. We are not about to walk for 22 minutes.
You go to the New Grill?
Yeah, 3 miles from money.
Done deal. We shall try the grill.
If their wait is too long, because oh no, you said you can add time from the app.
Yep. For that, we are prepared to add time to our parking.
This is a sad day in seafood heaven.
We just want some seafood. That's all we want. Some crab legs. Some crab legs, some crawfish.
That's what you were gonna get, crawfish?
I was going to get some crawfish. Maybe you sprinkle a little crab leg on top.
I like that.
Some what? What?
I don't know. I didn't say anything.
It's a mystery. I guess I'll find out when I rewatch this video. Find out what's going to get sprinkled on top.
Why do you do me like this?
Alright, so we're walking to the next spot. So I guess now's a good time for some B-roll. Cue the B-roll. So yet another hour and 15-minute wait for the grill. We can't win. We just want some seafood and don't want to wait an hour to get it.
It was a party in there after those 2 drinks. I was not happy when I went in there, but now I feel great.
Now it's a lituation.
Lituations. Now we need to call an Uber and not trip in the crack. Woo. New York City on fire. I'm so tipsy.
You're in the shade right now.
All right. You said we in the shade. Is that what you said?
I did, because the light's here.
Oh.
You're in the shade. So then we're just going to be mad dark until we step into the light.
Yeah.
It's time to call an Uber. Uber.
So I had 2 coconut martinis, and I don't know if the girl puts in their drinks, but my suggested limit is 1 because I am inebriated.
I, on the other hand, I had 2 of stormy something. Some stormy
dark
drink.
stormies.
Dark, stormy.
Stormy dark.
Something. It was good. And I'm also good. So, yeah. It was rum and ginger beer. Dark rum and ginger beer, so hence the name Dark Stormy or whatever it is. But, yeah. It is what it is.
He got me drunk on purpose, guys.
You gonna sleep?
I'm gonna be in the car like, I'm so tired.
But when you get home, you're gonna be like, yep.
4 minutes.
4 minutes?
We
All right.
only got 4 minutes.
That's enough time for me to walk across the street.
Before the Uber comes again.
And
4 minutes.
throw his wristband in the garbage.
I don't know if it's stripes. I don't know what the fuck it is. Bro, it's the whole thing.
Apparently it's the whole thing.
When your friends be all up in your ass. You know, if the booty right, the booty right. There's nothing you can do about that, right? A bitch is gonna notice. Friend or not. I definitely saw an ass today that made me think about doing some squats. I was like, oh, okay. You just out here like that? Oh, okay.
So, if you're working on 20%.
Really? What is this fool doing?
Don't nobody know.
This is the story of my life. Babe, come on. Like, why we gotta be like that?
I ain't got the answers.
You heard me?
Yes.
I told them
Yep.
I saw a
Ready to
booty.
do some squats.
I saw a booty today that made me think about doing some squats.
Hashtag squat life.
I was like, okay.
Somebody tipsy.
Be in the gym like 1, 2, and then hit the deep squat. Just gotta be like, yeah.
You ain't ready for the deep squat. You gotta get low.
Get low.
Gotta throw a
Get
bar.
low. To the window.
Hey, what? One more time.
I can't just be dropping it like that. I'll bust a hole in my jeans.
Yeah.
Nah. I'm good. I
Something
can't
like
get
that.
that low.
You gotta get low, babe.
Can't get
Deep
that low.
squats. Can't do the little baby squats.
My pants be too tight for that.
That's why you don't wear regular pants to the gym.
Gotta keep. I want to keep my pants.
You wear gym pants. That's the official name, gym pants.
Save my pants. To the window. To the wall. Hi, I'm Chris.
It says, hello, my name is...
Hi,
Hi, I'm Chris. The redundancy is... ironic?
No, he was being Chris. He was being himself.
Why is Batman sniffing Dasani air?
I don't know, but y'all know Dasani is filtered water, right? That is the leftover Coke water. I don't even drink Coke. I only buy Dasani when there is no other water around. Somebody told me that Poland Spring had like fluoride in it, like it could kill you, and I was like, I'm pretty sure they researched when they like did this that the amount of fluoride, if there is any, like I don't know if there's any accuracy to that claim, but I'm sure they didn't put an amount that could kill me in it. Like I've been drinking Poland Spring like forever, and like Poland Spring is what it means to be from Maine. Why the fuck would I like Maine lobster tails? Why wouldn't I want to drink the Poland Spring? But if they do put fluoride in it, Poland Spring, I'm gonna need you to get shit together, please, because I like your water. What the fuck? What just happened?
She just tripped on nothing.
Was that on camera?
It happened behind you, so I don't know that it necessarily happened on camera.
Black people are the most dramatic people fucking ever. Like, why would these two guys like turn around? Like, they had to stop the entire show to figure out why the hell this girl tripped the way she just did. They stopped for like a good 10 seconds. Yeah. We be mad dramatic. Like, why would you trip like that? You're not supposed to point at people, you know.
I'm not pointing at people, I'm pointing at Batman. Drinking Dasani.
You're
air.
not pointing at Batman, you're pointing at me.
Nope, I'm pointing at Batman.
I'm gonna pluck you.
If you see what I see, you know I'm pointing at Batman.
I'm gonna pluck you.
I'm Yep. Somebody had 2 drinks. You get a 2-drink minimum. 1 drink, that's it. No more for me.
Got that. What's that? But where's the Uber? It said 4 minutes. Is like the Uber here? Oh my god. No. Where's the Uber? Is this the Uber? Oh my god. I don't want my customer rating to go down. Oh, it says meet driver now. What is the driver? Oh.
So we about to head back to my car so we can head home. We'll catch up with y'all when we catch up with y'all later.